What's up, guys? So I'm going to show you my lawnmower right here. This is the Honda, here you go, Honda GCV160. I bought this thing like 4 years ago. This thing is still going. No, I bought it like 5 years ago. Skipped using it for 1 year, and then I'm back using it again. So I've been using it for like 4 years. And in the 4 years that I've been using it, the only thing that I had to replace was the spark plug, which is right here, and also the filter. And that probably cost me about 20 bucks, something like that. And I did have to get the drive fixed. This is a self-driving mower. But other than that, this thing has been going really strong for 4 years. So just gonna do a quick video of me mowing this lawn, and I'm gonna leave some links in the description for this. All right, so let's go check it out. Alright guys, so we did it. We finished mowing the lawn. Hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know what you think about this Honda right here, and leave some comments in the comment spot, and let me know what kind of lawnmower you use. Alright guys, the links will be in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.